Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fulfill vitamin B12 deficiency step by step. Start by getting a serum B12 test and a methylmalonic acid test to confirm deficiency. Then review diet, supplements, and possible injections with your clinician to set a safe plan tailored to your needs. In this video, I will explain how to fulfill vitamin B12 deficiency step by step. First, adjust your meals to include reliable B12 sources like fish, eggs, and fortified foods. Plan balanced portions across the week, and track intake to ensure consistent daily supply while monitoring symptoms and lab values. In this video, I will explain how to fulfill vitamin B12 deficiency step by step. On a quick note, if this is useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for a Little Trees Black Ice link and other deals to freshen your ride. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to fulfill vitamin B12 deficiency step by step. Next, discuss supplement types and dosing with your provider, choose oral or sublingual B12 for mild cases, and consider injections for severe deficiency or absorption issues while watching for symptom improvement and lab normalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.